Is the Bank of England about to make its second Brexit blunder? Hello and welcome to today's Daily Blitz. Now, as you may remember, straight after the Brexit referendum in 2016, Mark Carney, the Governor of the Bank of England, cut interest rates in this country to all-time lows. But this ended up not being such a good idea because, the world wasn't going to hell in a handbasket. The British economy did not collapse, despite all of the noise saying that it was. And in fact, the British economy did really well. And so they actually had to redo this mistake and hike rates not too long after it. Now, it seems like this might be about to happen again, right?
That's right. So in the last few days, the probability of a rate cut at the 30th of January meeting has increased from just 25% to 45%, which is a huge move in the probability in the markets as they estimate it. And that suggests that there's a big change underway, probably because of Brexit again.
So what do you think is the reason for this sudden change?
I'm not sure, because the recent economic data has actually been quite good. You've got house prices rising at the fastest pace in about 13 years. You've got CFOs at major British companies, the most optimistic they've been, I think, since 2008. And you've had the first increase in staff, full-time employed staff, in a year. So the data's actually been quite good so far this year. But despite that, three of the sort of traditional hawks, the people who've been against cutting the interest rate, have said that they're willing to change sides and support a rate cut if the data continues to be bad. And I'm not sure where they're getting that bad data from, because things seem to be going just fine.
So perhaps it's the Brexit issue, the political side to it, that gets central bankers all...
Yeah, that's what I think it is, because what you've got here is people who are on the central bank's monetary policy committee for a limited amount of time. And if they don't cut interest rates as Brexit approaches, they're going to be embarrassed in their social circle for not being pessimistic about Brexit.
So looking forward, perhaps we will have another Brexit blunder from the Bank of England. So that's going to happen on the 30th of January, is when the decision to do anything with interest rates, either a hike, a cut, or keeping them low. But looking forward, if that does actually occur, and they do actually cut interest rates again, then we're going to have another big spike in gold, in British pounds, which has already been goosed up to very high levels. We're not really all that far off the historic highs from earlier in 2019, actually.
It also looks like the mortgage that I'm applying for will be cheaper, and also our cameraman's mortgage will get cheaper as well.
Well, there you have it, folks. Is there another Brexit blunder in the making? You'll find out on January 30th. Thank you very much for watching.